When classrooms become battlegrounds. The recent tragedy at Balabagan Grade School in Lanao del Sur, where a teacher was fatally shot by a student allegedly angered by a failing grade, is a chilling reminder on how we have drifted from the sanctity of education as a safe haven. A classroom should be a place where minds are nurtured and futures are built, not a space where fear and violence overshadow the pursuit of learning. This horrific act shatters not only the life of a dedicated educator but also the sense of security within the entire school community. While the alleged motive points to academic failure, the deeper roots lie in a complex interplay of emotional instability, lack of conflict resolution skills, and possibly gaps in the support system for both students and teachers. Education is not merely about grades. It is about building resilience, discipline, and empathy. When these values are absent, frustration can metastasize into acts of irreversible violence. The question we must now confront is not simply how we punish, but how to prevent. The incident underscores the urgent need for comprehensive mental health programs in schools, effective counseling services, and stronger security measures. Equally important is the promotion of emotional intelligence and the teaching of respect to authority, for disagreements never escalate into bloodshed. Teachers must be empowered with training to spot warning signs of potential aggression, while students must be given safe avenues to express grievances without fear or shame. No teacher should ever face the prospect of dying at the hands of a student. No student should never be consumed by anger so great that it destroys lives, including their own. The Balabagan tragedy must serve as a wake up call. We must restore the classroom as a sanctuary of trust, respect, and learning, or risk letting violence dismantle the very foundation of our future. This is an hour of with Sir Noni editorial edition. Thank you very much for listening.